the distinguished members of our City Council, all our awardees and members of their families, our retirees, those who have devoted themselves to the noble calling of public service, our distinguished guests. Imbag, nagsapang, kaibigan, natayo amin. Been a long time since I saw each and every one of you. Pagpasensya niyo na ako. We're gathered here today not only to recognize our achievement, but to celebrate your sacrifices and unwavering commitment to serve. The Breeze Awards is about honoring personnel who consistently go beyond what is expected. Those who embody excellence, deliver extraordinary results, services, and those who serve with overwhelming, enthusiastic dedication. This event is an important occasion because we pay tribute to the pillars of our workforce. Our retirees who have given the best years of their lives in service, the families of our departed colleagues, whose legacy continues to inspire us, our loyalty awardees, who prove that true dedication is measured by years of steadfast commitment, and finally, our outstanding employees of the year, who set the standard for excellence and professionalism. We also commend our employees' choice honorees, who earn the trust and respect of their peers, our exemplary departments who show the power of collective efforts, and the Star Family Awardees who remind us that service is not carried out by one person only, but supported and nurtured by family values of sacrifice, love, and dedication. Public service is never easy. Each day calls us to go beyond ourselves, to smile even when we are tired, to give even when we are already stretched thin, to rise above challenges and stand firm for the people who depend on us. Yet, it is always a sacrifice that is filled with a lot of fulfillment. And this is precisely what I'm going through now, at present. I've never been so busy in my entire life. Ngayon lang. I would like to apologize to each and every one of you if I cannot perform my task as your mayor of the city of Baguio. It's not an easy task, believe me. It's very challenging and it is very dangerous as well. Fighting all these very powerful and moneyed people in our country today. And I was expecting, I anticipated that corruption is widespread. But now that I've been going around the country, I've never expected that it is just so deeply entrenched. The magnitude is unbelievable. The magnitude is incredible. Corruption, especially in the infrastructure projects or infrastructure sector, has already become a cottage industry, a livelihood program. Sa dami ng pinuntahan namin mga projects, wala ni isa kaming nakitang maayos. And these are in hundreds of billions of pesos. Ibig sabihin yan, it has become so systemic, highly organized, highly syndicated. Nakakalungkot isipin na itong mga taong ito, sinisira nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. And please, let us not allow this passion to address corruption short-lived. It should be a long-term engagement. Huwag po natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan. Huwag natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan. And sometimes in my private moments, I weep because I've never seen this kind of corruption. Kita ko yung mga extortion, mga pangnikikil. Pero believe me, this is something very, very different. I can only bow my head and express my frustration. It's a sacrifice. Sometimes I think the safety of my family. Napakahirap labanan ang korupsyon. Dahil lagi na lang may mga taong wala nang ginawa kundi mamulitika at sirain pa yung ating reputasyon. Ganyan na kagago ang sistema natin dito. Nakikipaglaban na tayo araw-araw, sacrificing our safety, sacrificing our life. Pero may mga tao pa dyan na walang konsensya, na walang ginawa kundi puro na lang politiko ang pag-iisip. Kasi dumi ng kanilang mga konsensya. They're no different from these very powerful people who continue to destroy our nation.